Welcome to Pindar Poetry. We hope you learned something new.
You start by signing into the Google account that holds the contacts you want. Once signed in, go directly to Google Contacts and confirm the correct account is active. This prevents exporting the wrong list. Next, locate the contact group or label you plan to export so you can act on a focus set. Once done, make sure syncing finished on any mobile device. This avoids missing recent additions and sets you up for a clean export step. You now select the contacts. Use the checkboxes for individual pics or open a label to select that whole group. Next, click the left menu and choose Export. Google offers CSV and vCard formats, so pick the one matching your destination. Choose Google CSV for importing back into Gmail-compatible systems, or vCard if you're moving to an iPhone or Apple contacts. Make sure to name the file or note the download location, so you can find it quickly for the next import step. You finish by opening the destination app or account's import function and uploading the file you exported. After upload, verify that contacts appear correctly, check names, emails, and phone numbers, because some fields can map incorrectly between formats. If duplicates appear, use the Target tool's Merge or Dedupe feature. If things go wrong, re-export using the alternative format, CSV versus vCard. Confirm you use the right Google account.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.